Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Additional viscera to be removed. Heart is removed when digitalis and strychnine poisoning. Brain is removed for strychnine, organophosphorus, opium, carbon monoxide, cyanide, and barbiturate poisoning. Spinal cord is removed for strychnine and gelsium poisoning. Cerebrospinal fluid is removed for alcohol poisoning. Bile is removed for narcotic drugs, cocaine, and barbiturates. Lungs are removed in volatile or gaseous poisoning. Lungs are to be preserved in nylon bags and are heat sealed.
thank you and thank you for watching.